minions? I'm Kim Witte from WitteArtistry and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's turn into Pennywise the Dancing Clown. Here we go. Super special thank you to Bradley, Shear, and Dantastic. You guys are my featured patrons. Thank you for going so much out of your way to support what I do. It means so much. I am going to be using the Mayron Edge palette to create this whole look, which is a new product by Mayron, which is water activated body paint, but like it's way more pigmented than their Paradise paint, and I wanted to test it out. So I'm using the white from that palette just to give my face a good coating. Pennywise is a clown and looks like a person wearing clown makeup, so it's a little bit more messy than your standard SFX makeup, I suppose. And this is really simple. This entire makeup probably took me, I think, 45 minutes, and you could easily cut back on it and make it faster. So now I'm using a big fluffy brush from Sephora just to stipple out white over my eyelids, get some texture going on my forehead, and then blend it down to my neck a little bit. I will be wearing a really cool new hoodie I got that I love. So using a new product by Mayron as well. This is called Standalone. It's essentially a compressed powder, so it's like extreme black eyeshadow, but you can also make it wet and use it sort of like a body paint. And I enjoy it. I was impressed by the product and how well it blended and stuff, and I'm using it to create wrinkles and damage to the makeup application like a clown, like you've worn it. It's worn in. And so I'm wrinkling my face and then brushing over the wrinkles, and it'll leave little white lines where, you know, the black isn't sinking. So just emote a lot, brush over those wrinkles with some of that Standalone. You could also just use black eyeshadow and you'll be good to go. I'm using the big fluffy brush to create some more stipple texture with white and then also gray. Get it all over the place. I'll be creating a butt chin too, so don't forget to do that. And I'll be accentuating the wrinkles with gray body paint. So I just mixed a little bit of black with my white and went into the wrinkles themselves. I wetted the Standalone powder to create a darker black and then layered it over with like a concentrated amount of that eyeshadow. And I'm going to be creating a intense, messy, smoky eye. Get those lower lids as well. Blend it out. I tend to use a mixture of Kyrie Cosmetics fluffy brushes, Moda fluffy brushes, and brushes from Sephora whenever I'm using eyeshadow powders or doing a beauty makeup. These are super fluffy, they have thick bristles, and they blend out nicely. And then when I'm doing detail work, you'll often see a red handle. These are Pro Art brushes that are used for face painting. They have like little teardrop shapes at the end, which I find really nice for body painting. I also use Wolf and Mayron brushes as well. Mix a little bit of black with your red, and I'm going to be creating the clown makeup now. So the weird little nose that the newer Pennywise has, which I just think is like weirdly cute. So I don't know where they came up with the design for the newer clown, but I think he looks really funny. I'm adding some intense angry eyebrows that are going to be done in gray body paint. Use a really thin brush for this part because I wanted the eyebrows to be extra thin and extra creepy. Now onto the lips. I am using red body paint. You could use lipstick too. And I'm creating a nice Cupid's bow. We got to be fancy as a clown. Then the lower lip, which Pennywise has a very juicy lower lip, so I'm overlining it a little bit. Careful not to get it in your teeth. And then go out and down from the center of your eyelid and create sort of like a U shape, I guess, that connects your pupils to your mouth on both sides. Then a point that goes up through the eyebrow. Repeat it on the other side as well. And depending on how messy you want this to be, you could add water and like tap out the makeup so it looks smudged, which I did on my old Pennywise. If you guys saw my zombie Pennywise, I'll link that up in the corner. Made my hair into pigtails. I would recommend a wig if you have one to get like the whole Pennywise look. I tried to get the same hair color that Pennywise has, but it's just simply not possible with layering paint on my hair color because, you know, You can only make your hair look so much of a color once it's already a certain darkness. So I hated that, so I decided to just go over it with red and create like a fade from solid red on the top and then fade it down through my pigtails back to my blonde. Super easy costume, great for Halloween, great for any cosplay or just messing around with makeup at home and just being silly. This stuff does come out. This is water activated body paint, like it's the Mayor on Edge palette. I'm fixing the edge of my hairline as well with white. I filled in my part with white too. Now I'm adding dental veneer fangs and some colored contact lenses from Camo Eyes. The fangs are from Dental Distortions, which you can find on Wolf's website or on Amazon. You can't talk very well in them, so these ones are definitely just for show. But you could easily just not wear teeth, I guess, for a costume. Love you guys. Thank you guys very much for sticking to the end of this video. I had so much fun with this character. Like, I love whenever I have pigtails, just like la-di-da-di-da-di-da-di-da-di-da. And these teeth, 10 out of 10, would recommend, but they're hard to talk in. Huge shout out to my wonderful Patreon producers. Wah, 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 wah. Thank you guys so much for choosing to fund my dreams, fund my life, fund my makeup, fund my little Halloween bats. Oh, maybe I can. Oh, we're on to something here. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next video.